Hello everybody, in this lesson I will deal with another practice example on equations specific solution. Solve for x for the interval 0 up to 360 degrees, and then I give you cos 22 degrees plus cos x minus sin 18 degrees equals 0. So now you will say, but where's the numbers? You find the number here on cos 22 degrees and sin 18 degrees. But now you are not working out an angle. So you won't use the shift button. You will only say cos 22 equals, and then you end with 0,93 plus cos x, and then sin 18, it's just a normal sin 18 equals, and you end with minus 0,3. Then you will say 0,93 minus 0,3, and it's cos x plus 0,63. Now the 0,63 will walk across, and you end with cos x is minus 0,63. Then it's time for the acute or the reference angle. That one you will say shift cos 0,63 close bracket equals, and you ignore the minus, and then your acute angle will be 50,95 degrees. Remember, the reference angle, the acute angle, is positive. Now you go back to the right hand side of your equation and you say, where is cos negative? Cos is negative in the second and the third quadrant. Quadrant 2, quadrant 3. On the left hand side, you write only x equals, and then the second quadrant's ratio, or rather rule, is 180 minus acute angle, which is x is 180 minus 50,95, x is 129,05 degrees. And then in the third quadrant, on the left hand side, it's x, and the rule is 180 degrees plus the 50,95 degrees. Therefore, x is 230,95 degrees. In the next lesson, I will discuss trig equations general solution. Click on the video in the left hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.